Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we were down in Florida and we decided to go fishing, and I brought my fishing stuff in my camera, so I recorded it. The reason I'm doing an intro here is because I forgot to do one down there. Sorry about that. I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so there was one day that we could actually go fishing, so we headed out on the road to check out some ponds. Now this first pond that we found was right by the road, so I didn't have too high hopes for this one, because there were actually a lot of trails leading down to the water where people had been fishing, and there were a lot of birds there, which may have explained why there were so many dead fish. There were dead fish lined up everywhere. They look just like catfish and carp.
And there's two more fish.
Well, I don't know. It's pretty sad that all those fish had died.
Another fish, another fish, another fish. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna fish here. I'm gonna go down, maybe hack my way, fish this other junky looking stuff.
So I decided to fish the other side, but there was actually a nice trail all the way through, which meant that people fished there a lot.
That means that there are people that come back here. Oh wait, I better be careful with snakes. This looks like snake paradise. And there can be alligators down here too. Yeah, I don't really like this. There's obviously a lot of people that fish here. I mean, it's right by a road. Oh, another fish. Another fish. Dude, there are so many dead fish around here.
Second pond. This one we started off bad with a backlash. This one was right by a school, also by the road, so I'm pretty sure that it was pretty heavily fished. There was a nice spot, as you can see, under this tree, but I didn't manage to catch anything under there. There were also a lot of dead fish here, not as many birds, but still a lot of fish. And I got my bait snagged and ruined the hook.
Oh, that is not what you want to see. Eyeballs came out. And actually, yeah, this thing is probably ruined. Look at that. That's pathetic.
I did manage to have one bite,
right there.
but that was it.
Bite.
Third pond. This was the worst out of them all. It was the muddiest, did not look deep at all, and honestly, I don't even know if fish lived there. Fourth pond. This one looked the best out of all of them. And about right away, we seen an alligator, and I actually thought it was a fish.
There's an alligator right there. Oh, my goodness. That's an alligator. Wonder if I can catch him. See him? Pretty sure there's no fish where he was. Wonder if I can catch him. Probably not smart. Nah.
So we fished there until about lunchtime, and my camera batteries were running out, and I almost caught my first peacock bass.
That's a peacock bass. What? That's a peacock bass.
There were about 3 peacock bass around the bed, but
any bites?
they never bit any of the baits we threw out to them.
See him? He's swimming that way.
So I returned in the evening to try out my luck on the same pond. Now I actually had pretty high hopes of catching a fish because in the evening, they seem to bite a little bit better than at lunchtime. I don't know why, it just seems that way. So, I was fishing here, and there was a small fish that was on a bed, literally 6 feet out in the water. So I was trying to catch that for most of the time that I was there.
There's literally a fish sitting right in front of me. But it's not biting, and I don't even know what kind it is. Golden! Get back here! Oh, goodness, that made me so mad. I just about caught my first Florida fish. Wow, he was tiny, okay. Very little. Here, let me throw my other bait out there. But he was a largemouth bass, from what I could tell. This other fish here, I don't know what it is, but it won't move. Pretty sure it's sitting on a bed. That was pretty unexpected. Don't tell me I'm snagged. This is one of my favorite jigs. Okay, there we go. Mine. And it's just out of reach, too. Get out of here. There we go. I'm gonna cast back out there and see if another little bass will hit it. That one, he hit it so fast, I set the hook too fast. It surprised me and I wasn't expecting it at all. Oh my goodness. It's not how your spinner baits are supposed to look. Yeah, I was trying to catch this fish that's right in front of me. But I slung it out. Just gonna reel it back right in front of him. That little bass hit it. Ah! No! Not again. Are you kidding me? Come on, come on. Dude, do I have someone else's line? What on earth is happening? I had someone else's line. I was snagged on... Okay. Well, it's gonna drive me crazy if this fish doesn't bite. Doesn't that just make you mad? When there's a fish literally 6 feet away and he won't bite? Not again! Dude, I do not know how to cast. That didn't feel too good. There we go. Oh yeah! First Florida bass right here. Yeah, that jig might just be too much for them, I don't know. Let's see. Should have brought the pliers. Yeah, I got him way back there. Okay. There he is. Not extremely fat. Oh, looks like he got beat up right there on the top. He's missing some fins or something. Sweet. Alright. I'm going to end the video right here. It's a little after 7 o'clock. Sadly, I only caught that one fish. I did have that other one right over here, but he unfortunately came off. But yeah, this trip has been a lot of fun, especially the fishing part. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that stuff. But that's it for today. We will